Ladies, listen up, because you know those shirts that we can't wear a bra with, but sometimes too much is showing? Well, yeah, I found a solution. COOMFY Petals are hypoallergenic nipple covers that allow you to level up your wardrobe in just seconds.
I love how it comes in a deluxe styling kit with 4 bonus care items such as soft pads, secure tape, wash sheets, and a case to put them back in after each use. I mean, how convenient is that? Did I mention how easy they are to wash? Just wash them with gentle soap and water and then let them air dry. Say goodbye to ugly bra straps and hello to confidence.
I'm never wearing a bra again. I'm obsessed with COOMFY Petals. They are water resistant, sweat resistant, and they work with any outfit, so you don't have to stress about them slipping off anymore. Even better, they come in this cute container that you can travel with or just keep them in so that they're safe and clean. On top of that, it comes with some extra goodies. So we have soft pads if you want to add that in for extra comfort. You never know when you're going to need double-sided tape, so that's in here, as well as wash sheets. These keep your petals clean so that they keep their stick. Use the secure tape that comes in your box so that you always feel secure in every outfit that you have on. Scan the QR code so you can learn more about how to take care of the product.